Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm going to be transforming what some people would call trash to something that's going to turn into a beautiful treasure. So today I'm going to be transforming an old trunk into a coffee table. So if you want to see how I do this transformation, please keep watching. Before that we get started, I'm just going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, you're going to see a lot of easy and inexpensive DIYs for your home and also seasonal. And at times I'll also be doing some trash to treasure transformation. So if this is something that appeals to you, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started with this transformation now. Okay, so this is the trunk that I'm going to be restoring. As you can see, it is in really bad shape. I found this in an antique fair that I was at a few months ago. I purchased it for about $50. As you can see, look at it, it's bad. But I wanted a trunk as a coffee table, so I had been looking for one. And this one, in spite of it being really bad, it's in really good shape because I had seen other ones and they were worse off. But I wanted something that I could restore. And this one here was perfect. The hardware is pretty worn off. I think at one point it was either gold or bronze maybe. I'm going to be painting the trunk all in white because I wanted to match my living room decor. So let's look inside. As you can see, it still has the original paper lining. I'm not going to do anything to the interior just yet. I'm just going to focus on the exterior, but I did want you to see what it looked like inside. I'd never seen one before, so I didn't know what it looked like, but it does have some sort of flap, and then underneath the flap it has a divider. I'm going to go ahead and remove that divider box because I'm not going to be restoring that, so I'm just going to take it out. As you can see, it was very well loved and used, and this box here could hold a lot of items and you could store a lot in these trunks. The trunk itself is very roomy and very deep, so you can even store some blankets and things like that that are very bulky. But like I said, I'm not going to be restoring the inside just yet. I'm just going to focus on the outside. I'm going to be using some Waverly chalk paint in white and also some clear wax from Waverly and a large stencil brush. I didn't show you this part, but the first thing that I did is clean it really good with some soapy water. And now the fun begins. I'm going to start to paint it. And this is how it looks with one coat of paint. Now I'm going to let this dry for a few hours and then I'm going to go back and give it a second coat. Okay, so now I'm ready to distress it and I'm going to be using this sanding block. But I do have to tell you that this was not enough. And the reason I say that is because the paint really stuck on really well, and so it wouldn't come off. I ended up having my husband to do the rest of the sanding, so that wasn't done until the next day. But I did as much as I could. I sanded off in different areas on the hardware as well. And because I wanted this trunk to be movable, my husband installed these wheels and he purchased them at Lowe's, I believe. You can find these in any hardware store. These wheels were easy to install because underneath the trunk there was 3 running boards, and these I believe help to give it support and also make the trunk very sturdy. Okay, so this is how my trunk looks now after that my husband had finished off distressing it, and up close this is what it looks like. I really love how it turned out. It looks really nice and rustic and distressed. Now the final step that I'm going to do is add the wax. This will protect and seal the paint. Well, here is my trash to treasure. I am in love with it. This is exactly what I was wanting as a coffee table. I'll be enjoying this for years to come. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.